I can't even look at the scanner. I know I'm wrong, but I just gotta get it back. Just one more trade.
Yeah. 6 a.m. the screens got that pale blue light. Got a whole damn watch list, but it don't feel right. Cause my eyes are glued, man, I'm locked in tight to the one damn name that ruined my last night. Swore I was done, swore I'd walk away, but I saw that pre-market dip, thought this is the play. I went all in and it bled all day. Now I'm stuck here staring, turning cold and gray. This ain't a trade, it's a toxic romance. I hate this ticker, but I'll give it one more chance. Short in the sunlight, long in the night, doing everything backwards, stuck in this fight. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight a trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my skin is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. My other monitors flashing, they plus setups, calling that other tickers breaking out a straight up hollering. My phone is blowing up, my trading group is brawling. You seeing this move? Nah, man, I'm busy falling back in love with the pain, I guess. Adding to a loser, man, I'm such a mess. This ain't risk management, it's just a game of chess, where I'm the only pawn, filled with stress. I see the right move, but my hands won't click. This ticker's like a drug, man, it's making me sick. I just wanna break even, need that one last trick, but the hole just gets deeper, brick by brick. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Is this addiction, or is it just pride? Can't admit I'm wrong, nowhere left to hide. Got this tunnel vision, everything else died. It's just me and this chart, side by side. I hate the stock, but I can't let it go. It's a sick obsession, watching my account blow. This was never the plan, man, I used to know how to cut the loss, how to let it go. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Spiraling. Down, down, down. It's everything for what? For this one damn name. Same time tomorrow, I guess. Damn.
Yeah, I remember that ticker about a week ago, lit up every screen. Man, what a show. Headlines were buzzing, volume through the roof. Everybody screaming out that bulletproof proof. They were chasing green candles, thought it'd never been, swearing this was it, that I would never end. But I've seen this movie, I read this page before, and I was just waiting for them to find the door. Now the crickets are chirping on the forums and threads. All the to the moon boys, they just went to bed. The news anchors moved on, found a shinier car, and now it's just a number wondering where the buyers are. Support lines are cracking, but nobody hears the sound, cause they're all busy chasing the new talk of the town. They left this one behind like an old summer trend. But that's where my story, my friend, begins. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just riding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. It's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. It's not about the panic, it's not about the crash, it's not that sudden 100-yard dash. It's the slow unwind the prettiest red chart I've ever seen. Every little rally gets sold right back down like the air's letting out of a carnival clown. No drama here, just a simple truth. The party's over and I'm checking out the proof. Yeah, it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. Some folks need the action, the volatility. They wanna get rich by 2:45. They like the battle, the push and the pull, but I just wait till the room ain't full. I wait for the quiet, I wait for the still, when that rock is just a rock rolling back down the hill. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. This sleepy fade, just riding it down, volume's all gone, back to normal, just a sleepy fade.
Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts. Gotta check the chart, boy. Watching all these small caps, watching all these chart, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. I be selling quick, yeah, stunning on these holder, boy. RSK, got a many wrist, man. Trade another day, man. Trade another day, yeah. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Used to take a big hit, now I keep it tiny, boy. Read about the blow-ups, that's a different trader, boy. Discipline is all I got, I never trust a FOMO, boy. Used to bag whole stocks, now I'm just a scaler, boy. Yeah, the float is low, G, watching for the spike, man. Keep the stop loss ready, all my levels set, yeah. Ain't no second guess, yeah. You ain't talking risk, yeah. You ain't in the session, yeah. Get a mess, yeah. Cuts on cuts, yeah. Gotta keep it tight, Front of red, now I'm in the light. They were holding backs, now they see the height, yeah. All I see is charts, all day, all night, yeah. All day, all night. All about that P&L cuts, paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts. Boy, just managing the risk, saving all the paper, boy. Boy. Yeah.
Man, just this one, I can't even look at the screen.
Well, Good morning, traders. Hope you guys had a great, long, extended weekend. Had a good Valentine's. We had a great time. We had a great Valentine's. The green team did on a Friday night. It was an excellent Friday night live stream. Good turnout, good conversation as far in relation to focusing on what the strengths and weaknesses we need to focus on for this week. So it looks like the market's waking up a little bit this morning in small caps. We got a lot of anxious bulls out there ready to get started this week, and some PRs. Some decent PRs this week coming out already in pre-market. Oftentimes that happens at the start of the week. We got quite a bit to dive into, so let's go ahead and start. Let's head over to the war room and jump into it, guys. Fades, where you at? We got our empty chair analyst this morning. Getting your tea going. Yeah, getting the coffee going. And yeah, the watch list I just sent to trade the pull to just came out. Pretty much GXAI, OLB, RIME, ATOM, NCI. There's a few good ones. EVMN, by the way, it has curled all the way back up around Fades, the phase 2 ticker. You remember that one, EVMN? Yeah, that one's like let's take a look. EVMN, that one's in a little bit of a ascending triangle pattern. Has curled all yeah, look at this pattern here. It's a pretty pattern. Whether it gets that volume to break, we'll see. But yeah, she's climbed back up towards some resistance levels.
Okay. So what did RIME do?
RIME's in play. RIME is definitely in play still. Well, here's the interesting thing with RIME. I just confirmed the short float on it again because I was like, isn't this the heavy short interest? Dude, it's a 2 million in float ticker. There's nearly 19% short interest on RIME. Insanity.
Wow.
Absolute insanity.
Interesting. Yeah, that was the one that tried to get going. So, I mean, how much is it still up?
A lot.
Because it was running into after hours, right? It ran into after hours and then overextended into after hours.
Yeah, I mean, the Magic 20 hit there. I remember we discussed this a little bit on the Friday night stream. How'd your Valentine's go? Do you guys look at some houses and hang out?
It was good. It was good, man. I had forgot we had that wedding on Valentine's Day, so it was really fun. Yeah, it was really good. Viv's coworkers, one of her coworkers had a wedding, so we all got together, and that was a good time. Yeah, it was a good time.
Very cool. Very cool.
What about you? You have a big weekend?
Yeah, my parents kept the kids for a little bit, so wife and I got out.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it was a great time. So I spoiled her and went to a winery. She went shopping, did all the stuff.
Oh yeah, I love those wineries, man. And you're up there, like kind of the mountains too, right?
Yeah.
It's nothing like that winery in the mountains.
Yeah, it's a fun place. They got live music and good. They bring out like good food trucks and whatnot. I had brisket, dude. They had a brisket food truck.
Oh, dude, yeah, I love brisket. That's like one of my choice meats, to be honest. My favorites, especially at a barbecue joint. Like, I don't want the pork. Give me the brisket. Give me the smoked turkey.
I know, it's the best, dude. That's one of my New Year's resolutions phase this year. I'm getting on Byron's level. I'm gonna get a smoker and start smoking some meat.
Yeah, for real. I'm definitely gonna have that. My place is a little tight for that right now, my condo, but definitely want to have a smoker, at least a grill when I get my house. That's for sure. Wine tasting in France. Yeah, we'll have to celebrate after a few more payouts. Come take a trip out there, Tuna. Yeah, Kevin, come shoot a content series in France.
Yeah, Tuna's place.
It's our path to going viral.
All right, so RIME, I'm a little sketched out by the short interest on it, and again, it's like an AI play fade. So like, there's several AI tickers that have been popping on off here,
Mhm.
and yeah, I just that short interest sketches me out. Like I feel like they could still play around with this one. All right, Emmy.
Yeah.
Uh, a sleepy one I like that's less probably manipulated is ATOM because this was on earnings, but it's a decent hangover here. It is on earnings. I just want to see what it does against kind of that after hours liquidity move, which I have mapped as resistance.
Okay. That's Adam.
4445. Yeah.
Okay.
She's up a decent chunk. Here's what I like. If you look at the daily, it tapped the 200 beautifully. 392. It's like right on it. So
Mm.
that one I'm eyeballing. And then of course we got a few leading gappers, like for instance, GXAI, another AI play. That cracked this line, and they're playing with it. Cracked it.
Mhm.
150's holding. So they signed a
Yeah.
deal with a Byte Plus. It's like a video AI kind of thing. I think ByteDance is a TikTok thing. Teams up with TikTok parent. Yeah, TikTok parent ByteDance.
Okay.
I don't some kind of AI related thing. GXAI is getting a little hype on it right now. But what are you looking at?
Yeah, making a fresh list right now. I'm selling JDZG. That one's also still up. It sold off a lot. ZG. If there's another trade there. Eh,
Yeah,
maybe
it's
not.
giving back a decent chunk.
Yeah, so that one and RIME are the leaders for the 5 day. Then we got BRLS. That one ended up working out. I think didn't I take a trade on that one?
So
I called it.
yeah, that's still on the watch list. You mentioned it last week. It's just really slow, but this is
Right.
if you pull up the 10-day chart, she is in a head and shoulders that looks really clean. Like under
Hmm.
1.5 looks good for that thing to head back down towards even a dollar.
Yeah, like
But
literal
it's just
sleepy fade 101. Like,
yeah, it's a real slow play though. SMX must have done their reverse split this morning, guys, because it's
oh
oh wow,
yeah,
that's actually getting a pop right. 52 to 68. Oh my god, the illiquidity here
yeah,
is going to be a nightmare.
yeah.
But
That's just ridiculous. Like, it already went to 250. I think that's what they realized. They're like, we're already liquid. Let's just make it more liquid. We pump that way. Like,
1 for 4. Yeah, this is our exit, guys. This is our exit. 1 for 4.88 reverse stock split. So they were at what? So 4.88, divide 68 by that. They were sitting at what, like 15, $20 yesterday. So
dude, that's crazy. That thing was at like 250 a couple weeks ago,
I know.
pre-split. And then what fades to what? What did it reverse split at?
Yep,
$15 or something?
something,
Like,
yeah, around
oh my
there.
God, what are they doing? Like, talk about junk.
Talk about Chuck. All right, two other plays to be mindful of that have been holding up. Look at this NCI. NCI has been holding its level as a consulting company. It was at 62 cents. This is a play I think that we would be interested in, but it's been holding up really well on pullbacks. But look at the pattern she's in right now. She's in the squeeze pattern where something's going to happen here. She's in
Mm-hmm.
this symmetrical triangle. So
Yeah,
something's going to happen on NCI here probably today, guys. It's up
right.
from 60 cents to 270. Let's just monitor this one and see if what volume's going to do there, because volume's gonna tell the story. And so NCI and then SUNE Energy, both of those are still they're
Mhm.
relatively similar as far as percent gains and price level. So SUNE was at
Right.
58 cents like a week or two ago as well. SUNE Energy may have a more reputable reason to be at these levels. I don't know. NCI Consulting, I don't even know. One minute else is closing up. Oh, they just did a public offering too, 8.1 million shares. Oh, this is a Yeah, this is a Hong Kong Chinese place, so that must be what's going on
Ah,
here.
lovely. Okay. And
Public
then
offering
that
price of 54 cents per share.
NCI just now?
Yeah. No, that was the 11th. That was last week. This is what we've been talking about, this manipulation off of, yeah, they did a $8.1 million offering at that level last week, but the company intends to utilize the net proceeds for expanding its business. Oh, sounds like a good buy. Yeah, I like NCI. I like her quite a bit. Just again, you know, the manipulation can run rampant, so volume is really, really key on this. Let me look at the short interest on it real quick too. Charlie in the building. Doug, good morning. Hope you guys had a good weekend and Valentine's.
So the volume leader right now is kind of spread out.
Short
OBAI,
3% is what I'm seeing on NCI. Nothing big. OBI, yeah, that one was what, 50 cents to
OBAI is the king of the day right now, going
yeah.
into bell.
Oh, that was that one. She's given a lot off of her high water mark there, like 12.
Right. Yeah, so that's kind of the market we've been in lately. A little bit more selling off, less, it's weaker. The main market's weaker. So that's the market we're in right now. Could change by the hour, but
Set by the second.
right now that's the market we're in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean nothing's really screaming, nothing to jump up and down for right now.
Good eye there, Charlie.
I'm scanning the 1 month gainers as well to see if there's anything we're missing. BNAI is still up
It's still
300%.
holding that 20 level, yeah.
That ANL too, we've kind of touched on that one. That one's also
Mhm.
just what, like really slow, but it's up 500% in a month. ANL. It's kind of just flatlining here, but kind of got that similar feel with BRLS. It does look a little bit stronger than BRLS, but they're both like at a clear level where if they crack, they can give.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, the
worth
spec for
watching.
sure. I like that. Charlie brought up a good ticker. I mean, CMPS, this one it's a higher flow. So I don't know if the chat rooms are going to play with it, which CMPS 94 million I'm seeing, but it did reach its primary endpoint in phase 3 trial. It's not up like a whole lot off of its close for a successful phase 3 trial news.
Interesting. Yeah,
Yeah, Compass Pathways triumph in hard to treat depression ignites investor frenzy. Okay.
hard to treat depression. There's like
I,
different kinds of depression.
well, probably.
I didn't even know
Re-
that.
reading up on it. Huh. Treat. Oh, yeah. Okay. Demonstrating a level of clinical and difficult to achieve treatment resistant depression. Interesting. Okay. So, yeah, apparently there's some levels of depression that are treatment resistant. Your body just blocks off those medications. They're like, "Well, we're too depressed for that pill."
Oh, I don't know. That kind of woo woo, wah wah, kind of. Let's go get some sunlight, do some inner work.
Yeah, that's just solve a lot of problems. Look at the magic 2020 on CMPS. So it's higher flow, good positive 3 news. Let's see what she's going to do. Good eye there. All right, outside of that, it's called marriage, Charlie. It's called
Oh boy. Hey man, some people become the happiest person ever and the most miserable person ever.
Really? Yeah,
Better
yeah.
pick the right one. Better, do your homework, do your research before you make that decision. Mm.
All right, I think the ones I'm going to be watching at Bell, guys, are going to be RIME, very key levels, high short interest. So it's just one of those plays I want to monitor. And then RIME, and then NCI is in a clear pattern here too. Symmetrical triangle, but again, it's overbought, and so that symmetrical triangle reminds me of another one I saw this morning. I think it was our leading play. Just a second. Which play did you mention as like the leading gapper?
OBAI.
Oh yeah, OBAI. I just this one's given up so much. I don't even have it on my watch list. I mean, maybe it's still interesting, but again, here's the symmetrical triangle. It reminded me of this. So
Mm,
beautiful on OBAI, but again, these are when you're overbought. Oftentimes, you'll see them trickle out, crack below, lower on it. I'll throw it on the watch list just to monitor it. But GVH is another one we didn't really go over. GVH is up from 90 cents to $1.40. She's a 2 milli float ticker, and it looks like earnings on this play.
okay. Hmm.
Below $1, Charlie. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that's right. When it how I know it doesn't take much to halt these. What's the difference again? It's like if the previous close was under $1, they halt like a lot quicker percentage wise. Crow in the building, SMX. Yep. SMX. Yeah, that one, the reverse split. They did like a 1 to 4.88 reverse split. I just don't even have. We don't really see that often, Fades. Normally it's like a 1 for 5, 1 for 10, 1 for 20, not a
Yeah,
1
it's like
for 20.
they saw their stock pump before and they're like, yeah, the more liquid the better. Like that I don't know. I guess that's their logic because that's just
It's funny. They knew the exact price they wanted to be at, so
they're like, that's our sweet spot. That's where we thrive.
yeah.
That's where retail jumps in. Literally, it's like what they're strategizing. And like a week from now, SMX releases an offering for. I mean, because that's the chart, right? We looked at it. That was one of the ugliest charts we've seen. So, is it a big surprise that they just snuck another RS on everyone? No, not
No.
really. So, yeah, I mean, at Bell, we'll just be seeing if we're getting any chaotic action. Um, OBAI looks like the king of the volume leaders. I guess behind that would be the OLB is 70 center, but that thing's churning. It's around 30 million in volume pre-market.
Yeah,
And the
here's the entry.
GPH is getting a little more rowdier, lighter volume, but it's starting to pick up a little bit. GVH.
TBH. Oh, I thought you said TBH, which is try. I thought you were bringing us back to Try
My
Hard Holdings, which
God.
is I don't even remember what that
Did that
symbol is.
thing bury itself yet? Oh my God, 63 cents? Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Like, this
The
thing was at
symbol
like, is this right? Or am I looking at something wrong?
THH.
Or hold on.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh my
63. Yeah, we got to get swing accounts, dude.
Oh, dude. Like I was just blowing. I'm like making fun of this company. I'm like, what? God. And then it's like one of the most disgusting charts I've ever even seen. Like, what did they do? Good God Almighty, dude.
Going to the OTC, it looks like.
Wow. That's epic.
Yeah, they deserve a plaque.
God, dude.
All right, Trados, we got 2 minutes for the opening bell. ATOM, let's see if it can hold or if it's going to profit take. I like this for this is a hangover candidate if volume does not come in. Looking for profit taking to happen, ATOM. RIME is a very interesting ticker with nearly 20% short interest, 2 milli float, and an AI ticker company. I think shorts are underwater here. I don't think this is just giving it all up. I'm just grabbing the popcorn. Spectator sport on RIME. There's something's going to happen there today for sure. NCI. Oh wow, and volume's coming into NCI bouncing off the 2.6. So NCI's in a symmetrical triangle multi-day pattern as well. Now they offering out 8 some million shares at like 50 some cents last week. So this is I'm just gonna play the irrationality. Honestly, Fade's like, you're the pro scalper. Lately, I've just been like look, this is what I've been doing, Fade. It's like let the bulls and bears fight each other, and when the predictable piece shows up, I'll take it. Once this thing is just wait. If this thing's gonna move irrationally, like FGL, I think it was last week, just wait. We don't know how high it's gonna go, but then once you get ready to start seeing selling pressure and halt down, okay, I'll jump into it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly.
Look, you saw PLYX. Doug, I know you put this in the Discord. I mean, PLYX, dude, if some shorts got completely margin called, liquidate on this thing at this morning at like 4 o'clock or whatever time that happened.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, the holding overnight, you get punished.
Exactly, tuna. No chop. I'm done with Chop City. Let's just take the predictable piece, get out.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. What's your main watch out of the gate? See where the volume's gonna go.
Yeah, I'll just be monitoring. Let's see. The OBAI King of the Day, see how that reacts. That'll kind of tell us what the market wants to do. That's just going to dump.
CMPS getting some selling pressure on it. CMPS.
Yeah, so OBAI dumped more so far. Oh. They're going to halt it straight down? No.
It's halting, yeah.
You're dumping that thing, dude.
Oh, it's not halted yet.
It's like fake halt kind of vibes. Could be a trap at this point. It's weird. It looked like it was halting, but it's just a
Yeah,
lot of
looks like
pressure on the ask. They just keep stacking the ask. Wait to see if they buy that up or if it's just going to keep selling off. Is it
Yeah, I'm
going
monitoring it. Wow, OBAI, they're slamming this thing down, guys. Just sitting here watching it. Haven't taken a position yet.
I'm surprised. It keeps looking like it's going to halt the way they're slamming it, but it doesn't. I'm surprised it hasn't snapped back on a bounce yet either. It's like, are the bulls just done?
Wow. 536 now.
Look at that, guys. They're just walking this
533.
thing down.
God dang it.
I only got a couple hundred shares, but I'm just watching. I must cover real quick. Yeah. As soon as that ask left up, I covered.
Some big ass just walked that thing down.
Yeah, that was interesting.
I ain't never seen an ask like that. All right, ATOM shooting up, guys. All right, again, invalidated on the hangover because we have volume coming into that name.
Which one is that?
Adam.
Okay.
Adam.
Oh, I don't know why that one was on my. Oh, it's on this list. Yeah. So let's look at the bird's eye view. So.
Damn, that thing's shooting straight up.
BRLS slow, couple percent down. Yeah, everything else is Adams green, Rhymes. What's Rhyme doing? Rhyme dumping.
Okay.
It's like kind of chasey now, but it almost might halt down.
Yeah, let's just guys, we're fine. Let's be patient. We're fine. Again, like the message right before the market open. Let's let the bulls and bears have their chop fun. We're gonna take a predictable piece. Yep, smoked tuna. We're on it. Like with smoked
OBAI
tuna.
watched again, dude. That seller
Wait
was
for a setup.
aggressive.
Wait for a setup. More trades does not equate to more profit.
Mhm.
GXAI is bouncing off 1.5 again, back up towards a resistance line. GXAI 1.4 is the 200-day moving average, so that one's interesting. ATOM, it's hitting a key level. If we look left to predict right, it's hitting a key level up here in the 4.6 range. It's forming an upper
Mhm.
wick against it now. I mean, is it going to have a huge day 2 again? I don't know. We'll see if this can sustain.
Right.
MULEC got a little pop towards the previous close. That was Friday's big mover. MULEC, MLEC. RIME
Mhm.
is super heavy, dude. Is it halting down? It's close. Get snapped down again.
BNAI also trickling down. Could be a Momo short into this week if it's just going to stay heavy like that.
NCI's popping up out of this symmetrical triangle, guys. NCI. Did get the bounce off of 2.6. Volume's a
BNA.
little spread out. Volume is a little spread out so far this morning. It's typical of a, kind of the start of the week.
Mm-hmm.
BNAI under the 20. Like, can
Yeah,
it hold that level? That's what you're.
Mm-hmm.
I love the chart. Look at BNAI's chart here. But we have to.
Give up.
Yeah, we have to not form a lower wick. It keeps forming that lower wick and popping right back up through 20. So BNAI needs to hold under 20 now. Look
Yeah.
at this descending triangle the last couple days though.
Mm-hmm.
That's gorgeous.
And
That's
it's
really
still up
gorgeous.
300% in a month, so like it still has room to drop. It was just such an irrational pump. It's like a SMX. It's like their next move is a reverse split. Like interesting. And then
GVH has been selling off since the open. Wow. Atom still higher, guys.
yeah.
ATOM's kind of where they all went. And again, this had absolutely zero volume until the bell, and that becomes invalidated. You take off the hangover, you could reverse into the long here. I'm not confident this holds. Look left here, guys. I think 520 is really a nice area too. For like a start or short. I don't see this thing getting towards 6 today.
Let me see.
ATOM.
Okay.
It's getting kind of hammered right now. I would like I think a 520 short is what I'm going to be eyeballing on it. RIME ended up being a good play, but the 20% short interest sketched me out. Charlie CMPS is
520
getting
on
held.
Atom. There is a lot of resistance there from
Mhm.
October. It's like perfect, that 5 range, 520. Could even be topping out right here though. Let me see. What's it? Yeah. Interesting short of this 5 range.
Yeah, I think it's the supply zone. I just don't really see it getting up another point. It could. I just don't.
Right.
The range on this ticker is.
Feels like a slow scale in the mid fives, maybe. Could be a decent.
Mhm. In fact, now that you're saying that, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna slow scale it up towards 6, like a real slow scale up towards 6.
Yeah.
ATOM, and then let's see, Charlie CMPS. CMPS,
BNAI is tricky, guys. Sellers
it's tricky.
continue that. Yeah,
You're right.
sellers are continuing.
Yeah, BNAI looks good. That one looks good for a little sleepy sell
They
off
can trap
here.
though. It's still early though. Like in the day, it could be a trap. But the market's been bearish. Let me take a look at the main market. Because if the main market's just going to sell off, then a lot of the stuff will probably follow. The hangovers, at least. Uh,
JDZG halt. That one halted. That one got a little playful here at the bell. I think you were looking at it. Yeah.
Halt up or down?
Halted down. It's going to resume higher.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the main market is still kind of heavy for now.
RIME has been selling off, dude. Oh my god. She's in a slip and slide right now, just selling off. Would have been all over that had it not have been for that short interest.
And the chart looked low-key good, but yeah, that was a little sketchy. But the chart was telling. It did look bearish when I looked at it. I just kind of flipped through it. But
Mulek, guys, looks like it's trying. Like it again, like the traders, if nothing else can get going today, and that's kind of what we're seeing so far, they're gonna head back over to MLEC. This thing's testing its previous close. That's why we always gotta look for look back at the previous runners.
yeah, it's good to keep them on watch for a little bit, especially if the watch list is lighter, because they could present one of the best trades of the day
Mm-hmm.
sometimes. Mm.
Looking
Yeah,
for a
so
pullback.
I got a baby short and B and AI in the mid 19s, but that's all I got right now. Just kind of watching. Um,
Baby short Adam right now is all I got really against 6 over under. I'm gonna scale it towards 6 if she gets going a little bit more.
Looking back at
I'll
the chart levels, I do like it a lot, but the fact that it's only up 20 something percent, somehow the bulls could get more rowdy. It came from 230 though. Like on
Yeah, yeah.
what? What's
Not
even made it run?
it's up 100% from Thursday, though, at least.
Right. Yeah. It's like it's just a multi-day grinder now at this point. Like what's going on? Like OBAI, I've given up. Yeah, that was another one that was solid.
I'm gonna look at short interest on ATM real quick too.
And being AI, the longer it can struggle and hang around 19, the better for bears. Like you said, they're not going to wake it back up.
Maybe I need to stop looking at this short interest. 15.4%. That's about 4.61 million shares are short on this 30 million flow. That's decent. There's been a short cleansing market. That's what it's been lately.
Yeah, short C like moves like a try hard holdings or something, and then just like scale into these plays, and then the plays don't roll over. Oh God, rhyme. Damn, dude.
Shorting OBAI, Charlie. Yeah, I feel chasey right here. Like when we saw that big ass trickling it down at like 5.5,
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Yeah.
regretful.
I
But
should have got back in it. Like I covered, but I should have been like kind of hyper focused and got back in it. But since it was Bell, I've been stepping it back from getting too aggressive at the Bell. I didn't want to get chopped up in some BS. On it, that's like
mhm.
a PTSD thing more than anything, really, for me. Just all the
I know,
manipulation.
and
Seeing
again,
like when
like
it does work, it's always hindsight, right? But it's like 8 times out of 10 at Bell, they're going to reclaim it and play with it. You're not going to get that clean move. So don't be fooled thinking that it's always just going to be clean selling at the Bell, because certainly not. Certainly
I
won't
was
be.
rereading a little bit of this. Like I reread this stuff because uh, I just want it ingrained in my memory. Like when you focus when you focus like trying not to make mistakes, you inevitably make more mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
But again, that's what you're saying. It's like we've seen so much manipulation, we're trying to avoid it, and that's causing us to make mistakes. But that it's related to sports. Like if you can envision whatever sport you play, like let's say golf, if you're always focused on not like slicing it or hooking it, like you're going to do that. It's just the
Mm-hmm.
nature of it, because the more you focus not doing it, the more you do it. ATOM looking good.
That's why it's
I'm a
kind of tricky, like profit targets and stuff that can be complex because you're like overthinking it. You trade different.
Yes, 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 yes. I went ahead and took ATOM, guys, on that. I'm gonna look to re-enter on a push up through the fives, start
Okay.
the
Yeah.
trade again. But took 30 cents. Took
Nice.
30 cents on it.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that chart, the resistance really looked good. And it's kind of a bearish day in the market, so it's like, yeah, that felt like a good one to like slow scale or for sure. Hmm.
But
So
I'm really looking for, I mean, there's nothing too clean right now. Oh, Rhyme halted down. Oh my god.
yeah, things are washing, bro. 4.6 to 3.2, like butter. Um, BNAI is kind of struggle busting around 19 now. I mean, that thing can snap, crackle, pop to 15.10. I mean, that's not even out of the question.
Rhyme's gonna open up. I'm seeing like low threes. God dang it, dude. The Rhyme can go back down to $1 today. I mean, this has got to be high watch. We gotta keep watching it. I just feel like
It
I'm
really
chasing
is.
it, but she's
Yeah,
she's got a ton of volatility on her today. Let's just
yeah.
keep
That
watching it.
chart looked good, man. That sloppy pop looked good. It was just a sketchy time to, get comfortable in it, but yeah,
Mm-hmm.
hindsight,
Mulek, they're trickling up. Guys, Mulek, is it going into a halt? They're trickling that one up.
Oh, it
I don't know
does
if it's halt, but I think they're trying to wake the beast back up. The Mulecky.
Moonlickers.
Yeah, we're gonna call him Mulek.
The
Mulecky.
Moonlecky.
I'm taking this halt up if we're
The
gonna shoot up,
Moonlecky. Hmm.
because this has been the analysis. I just we need confirmation. I need a lot of volume shooting in this thing.
Yeah,
Come
it's
on.
only up 5% too, so it's like it could halt and go if the volume comes.
And this one, if you remember, dude, oh my god, I like way oversized it last week. Like in when
Yeah, yeah.
I was dude over the weekend.
Careful
Yeah,
though.
that night I was like, dude, I got thankfully got a little lucky on that, but
Right.
I could have been bad. That thing was
When
flopping around
variance
up.
goes your way.
That was flopping a point at a time. It's bad.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, that's real dangerous. The emotions can lose control too quickly with things like that.
Oh yeah. And then
Get
you
out of
start oversizing everything. All right,
yeah.
Mulek and Rhyme. Rhyme is about to open up in 30 seconds at 301. God, it's annoying. And Chow just halted. Chow shot straight down, guys, into a halt down.
That OLB penny play is just grinding higher too, guys. That's the soup of the day.
And Mulecki's the one shooting to holding this gain. So just recognize this market we're in right now. It's just all right.
OLB is
I'm
interesting though.
focus Rhyme out of this halt. Should be opening up here soon.
Okay.
At
BNAI
303.
still printing 18s.
10-minute halt. BNAI is in the 18s. Nice. Chow resumptions looking like right around this 86 where it closed. CGTL, guys. Whoa, this one's halted up. CGTL halted up on very light volume.
That was one we were looking at.
Last week, yeah, dude, yeah, because on Friday, this thing halted down, opened up at dude, this is what can mess you up, right? Because this thing opened up, it halted down at a buck 26, halted down at a buck 26, opened up at a dollar at nearly $2.
Mm, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of halts popping up right now that I'm seeing, so
Yeah.
D DKI,
Main market still quiet, still heavy.
Rich Sparkles,
Rich
that'll get
Sparkle. Oh
that'll
God,
get
no.
Fade's attention. Yeah, yeah, that one's in a halt.
Oh God. What is it? ANPS or something?
RIME is opening up under $3 now.
Rich
Uh,
Sparkle, dude. Oh my God, this junker. Oh man. See, guys, that's what I'm talking about. Like, it just pulled the SMX. Just like, what are we doing? Oh my God, bro.
EVMN is right on. It's like ascending triangle line, looking heavy, like it wants to crack. 32's your risk on it. So
OBAI halting down again, bro. Is it? It is. Oh my God. Did they dilute on everyone? I didn't take it, but God, they just halted that thing down again.
it's
Wow.
gonna open at 430. Resumption 433. I'm
Yeah,
seeing
guys, the main market's
before.
bearish, and these penny plays that have been pumping just aren't getting love. It's a sketchy market right now. It's kind of a risk-off market, so it's like the plays that get pumps don't last as much unless it's like a hero supernova kind of vibe. Like that's the market we're currently in. Like see it pre-market, see it on open today.
CMPS. That one's at a key level 2.
Adam, you long tuna? What price are you looking for? Tuna? What's your price target? Or you just scalp it? You're already out.
Oh my God, OBAI is gonna open up at 408.
Yeah, dude, they slammed that thing down. Honestly, like I've just been really doing good by sitting it out at Dell, but like that was kind of one of those times where it's like you got to give it more attention. We both watched how they slammed that thing down. You know, it was like kind of obvious, like that it was more than just manipulation, right? Like there was actually a heavy seller present, and we saw that on the tape.
Chow opened up. Look, it's cracking its pre-market trends. Looking kind of heavy here. Rhyme, I'm waiting for this one. 95224. It's going to open up at 3. Mulek still holding its gains, and then Cramps is. I'm just going to call it Cramps. Cramps is looking heavy
Cramps.
too.
Which one even is that? Cramps? I don't.
CMPS.
Okay.
It's right at its open price, 783. So that's the level we got to monitor.
Oh, camps. Yeah.
No, not Cramps.
What'd you say? Cramps or camps?
I said Cramps.
Like a grandpa with cramps, like cramps.
Yeah.
All
All right. Rhyme's going to open up in 30 seconds, guys, at $3 freaking dollars.
Okay. Yeah, guys, the shorts were printing this morning. I mean, they don't always work very clean out of the bill, but today was one of those mornings where they did. Unfortunately, I didn't take much advantage. I'm just small green right now, but yeah, there were opportunities out there this morning, big time.
All right. Rhyme
Rhyme
open.
twos
Open.
printed. Touch twos. What are you gonna do, bro?
This has so much room down. I think I'll play it smaller size down but I don't know. It's down from $5
Painful.
to 3.
Yeah,
It's tough, man. It's tough.
yeah.
I
I
feel like
mean, it
I've
was
missed
yeah. It opened at mid fours. Like we watched them walking down from what mid fours. Now it's at 3. But
Cramps
yeah,
look
it can go too.
Cramps looks like it might be giving it up here soon too, so I'm monitoring that.
Yeah, Cramps, Gramps. That thing's a scam.
It was on some kind of phase 3 trials, I think.
That's true. It was Upper Wick Haven. Oh, that's not hard to treat depression crap. Oh, that's Fluffville. Hard to treat depression. It's like if you have TikTok brain, it's harder to treat your depression. It's like that's what they diagnose it. He's been exposed to too much social media, so the depression's a little harder to treat, unfortunately. like what are these conversations? Like I mean, everyone has their own battles, but
TikTok brain. Sorry, guys. You're getting canceled.
Yeah, I don't want to get canceled or hurt anyone's feelings. Just speaking mine.
Yeah, it's I mean, it's a challenging topic, especially with we got all kinds of brain out there, not just TikTok brain. You saw that hockey game yesterday. There's a lot going on out there.
Oh yeah, it's a spiritual warfare, psychological warfare.
Yes.
Both, really. Both, honestly.
They need a spiritual pill. Maybe we should start that company.
Right?
Are you having trouble getting close to
market?
I can't.
Through the rehab and resort. That comes later. That's expansion. We got to show up on what is that, Shark Tank? Me and you show up on Shark Tank and pitch our.
Oh my God! CGTL just got shut straight down.
Did it? Yeah, things are rejecting. Let me take a look at the market.
It's
Main market
at 303. It's going to open at 303. So what do you guys think this is? I mean, the inflation data came in like a little. What? All right, hang on. Let me take a look. Iran's foreign minister says must be brought to an immediate unconditional.
The main market is like on the brink of collapse. It's like either like big dip buy or it's gonna wash out some here. So let's keep an eye on things, guys. RIME dipping lower.
JDZGs just keeps everything's lower. Everything's just in full panic right now. Cramps is probably about to shoot straight down into a halt.
Oh, Gramps.
Yeah, everything's struggling here.
Oh, Gramps.
So slowly motivate your thinking. The overall market's like pricing that in, like, oh, they're going to pump rates. RIME lower, dude. 2.7s. Where are we going there?
Unreal, dude.
Are we catching the knife or riding this wave? I mean, it's straight down, dude. This thing is straight down.
I thought about taking a tiny starter at 3, but yeah, it's like one of those you just have to tunnel in, right? It's like right or right out at this level. Like literally, never been more true.
Doug, you're getting a 296 open on CGTL. Craziness. I'm about to start smacking something. JFB halted down. ANPA Rich Sparkles resumption 31 cents. That's what I'm saying. All right, CGTL is about to open up. That's a sketchy one though. Playing with this one because the halts on Friday were sketch city. That's going into a 10-minute. All right. RIME and the 2.6s. I mean, it sucks just watching these things.
Yeah, I got my little piece of what is it, BNAI. So I mean, I got some skin in the game, but yeah, it's annoying when like the bell's actually clean for once on our favor. Doesn't happen often, but you know, the market was heavy today, so it's kind of like it was. I don't want to say obvious, but it makes sense, right? Like the main market on the brink of collapse, like makes sense why everything's selling off too, right? So we'll just keep an eye out and see if it's gonna bounce here. I got the NASDAQ pulled up on one of my screens. It's heavy right here at a key level. So see what the main market's gonna do. Keep an eye on the scanner. You headed over to trade the pool? I didn't realize it was 10.
First, I gotta go to the trade the poo, and then I'll go to trade the pool. Yep. Gonna
Time
head
flies.
on over there. I know. It does. I'm a little. OBAI opened up, dude. It may be halting down again.
Yeah, guys, get in Discord and call out anything you see that's screaming. We'll do the same.
OBAI, dude. It's still.
We need to get on a group voice chat conference call in the war room, then we will. Remember,
Yeah.
it's gotta be.
A lot to look at, guys. A lot going on. Taking one baby trade on ATOM right now. That's that.
Yeah,
But
things
yeah,
are not
jumping.
looking good for the market. I mean, the market kind of had a little rally this morning, and then it just dumped, and we're dumping right now, fading right now. So yeah, just keep an eye on everything.
Try to stay safe out there. ANPA, dude, I'm seeing a resumption at 31 cents here in 30 seconds. ANPA. Are you kidding me? What did they do?
Dude, don't.
Don't play with my emotions.
I'm tired of calling out these junkers. They need to hire, what is it, Hindenburg Research or whatever, like that firm that like rags on
70
companies.
cents. Dude,
I
this
should be-
if
I should
80
work
cents. If this thing opens up at 80 cents, dude, there's going to be like a buy the dead cat bounce or something on it. So
Yeah, you're right. Oh my
let's
god.
let's
What
monitor because
happened, dude?
that's accurate, dude. If that's accurate, we got to be here because
What
something
the hell
$2,
happened?
$2. I'm seeing. Let's see if this is
No,
accurate.
dude. What is there news?
I don't know. I haven't looked yet. So
What in the hell?
okay, going into another halt AMPA. Let's see. Let's take a look. ANPA. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything. But yeah, if that's accurate, this is going to be wild Wiki West. All right, man. I got to go. Love you guys. Join the Discord. Thank you, Fades. Jump over to Trade the Pool if you want to keep the party going and be over there for a couple hours. And then trade safe. Yeah. Let's let the trades come to us.
See you guys.